Hello friends, today our topic is techniques of shot put throw. Techniques mean skill or ability in a particular field. Of a relationship between a pot and a hole is called of shot put, an athletic contest in which a very heavy round ball is thrown as far as possible. Throw sent suddenly into a particular state or condition, or the act of throwing something. Few techniques of shot put throw are as listed below. Few means small number. Techniques, skill or ability in a particular field. Of a relationship between a pot and a hole is called of shot put, an athletic contest in which a very heavy round ball is thrown as far as possible. Throw sent suddenly into a particular state or condition, or as listed below means or as marked under. Holding means sport with one hands. The shot put should rest at the base of fingers means the shot is held at the bottom of the fingers, not the palm. The thumb and the little finger supports the sides means the fingers are slightly spread apart with the thumb to assist the sides of the shot put. Placement of shot means the action of placing something or something somewhere. The shot is placed at the junction of the neck and shoulder is called as a placement of shot. Means the shot put is key, a point where two or more things are joined like a neck and shoulder. Stance, the way in which someone stands, especially when deliberately adopted as in shot put. The thrower should stand at the back of the putting circle facing back to the sectors. Means get in the proper stance by stepping back with one foot and lowering your body so that your knees and hips are bent. Throw the shot using your full body weight and release it at 45-degree angle. T formations means forming the shape like T. After the stance, the thrower should bend his trunk down and to keep the balance left leg is extended. Means shot put thrower complete his stance should bend his trunk in a T formation and hold the balance of left leg is stretched. Kick and glide. Kick means strike forcefully with the foot. Glide, move with smooth, quiet, continuous motions. After making T formation of the body, the left leg is crouched and kick and glide is done to gain momentum. Means the shot put thrower complete T shape of the body posture. The left leg adopt a position where the knees are bent and the upper body is brought forward and down. The kick and glide is a action is performed to obtain the motion of a moving body. Delivering actions. Delivery means to carry and turn over. Action, the process of doing something, typically to achieve an aim. When the left foot touching the stopboard simultaneously, the thrust from the wrist, arm, shoulder and trunk is taken for putting the shot at 45-degree angle. Means at what time the left foot of the shot putters come into contact with the rim surrounding the circle which marks the position of the shot putters. At the same time, push suddenly from wrist, arm, shoulder and trunk of the shot putters for throwing the shot put at 45-degree angle. Follow through means the movement of a throw after the ball has been struck. After putting the shot, the thrower should make A reverse flick by legs to prevent falling forward means at butt time the shot putter thrower the metallic ball. The shot putter move backwards, jerk by legs to drop down a head. Thanks and have a nice day.